Adobe Premiere Pro Audio Spectrum Visualizer. Once loaded on the timeline, locate the path that you would like to use or transform into an audio visualizer. The first thing is to create an in point and an out point if you would like. This is optional. Underneath the project bin, click on the fourth option, which says New Item. And then click right here, Adjustment Layer. Click OK. Drag this onto the timeline like so. Extend the adjustment layer and then select or highlight both the adjustment layer and your piece like so. Right click, scroll up and click Replace with After Effects Composition. Click and then highlight the adjustment layer in Adobe After Effects CC. Scroll up until you see the fourth option, Layer. Click New and then click Solid. Don't worry about the options like so. You can change this if you would like and then click OK. As your solid is still selected or highlighted, click the next layer which says Effect. Scroll down until you see the option Generate Audio Spectrum. And then once selected or loaded, underneath the effects control panel next to audio layer, click the drop down arrow like so, and then select your audio or MP3 piece or MP4. As you can see in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, this is what we have. And if you want in Adobe After Effects CC, you can change the settings like so. Green digital analog lines.